Unlock smarter stock trading with TradingView's powerful charting, screening, and analysis tools, your ultimate guide to informed decisions. First things first, let's get you set up. Navigate to TradingView. You'll see a clean interface, perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders for a vast majority of features. You don't even need an account, but signing up unlocks even more capabilities, so consider it if you plan on saving your work. To start analyzing a specific stock, simply use the search bar at the top. Type in the company's ticker symbol. For example, AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. Select the correct stock from the drop-down menu. You're now looking at a stock chart. This is TradingView's core. The candlestick chart, by default, shows you the opening, high, low, and closing prices for a given period. You can effortlessly adjust the time frame daily, hourly, or even minutes using the drop-down menu here. For deeper analysis, let's explore indicators. Click on the Indicators button here. You'll find a wealth of tools like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and many more, each offering different insights into price action and momentum. Simply click on an indicator to add it to your chart. Next, dive into TradingView's drawing tools. This toolbar, usually on the left, lets you draw trend lines, support and resistance levels, Fibonacci retracements, and more. These visual aids are crucial for identifying potential trading opportunities and managing risk. Now, let's talk about finding those opportunities. TradingView also boasts a powerful stock screener. Access it via the Screener tab. This tool allows you to filter thousands of stocks based on criteria like market cap, PE ratio, trading volume, and technical indicators, helping you discover stocks that align with your trading strategy. By combining these charting tools, indicators, drawing tools, and the screener, you can build a robust analysis process. Practice creating your own setups. Backtest your strategies by marking potential entry and exit points, and continuously refine your approach. Mastering TradingView is a game changer for making informed stock investment decisions.